So we have the magnetic screen door. Now in this video, I'm just going to do a quick overview of how to get this thing installed, and then we'll look at what it looks like when it is on the door. But super easy to get installed. No tools are needed. Just lay it flat on your floor. You're going to have your Velcro here, and then they do give you some pins as well. But now at this point, we're going to get the Velcro on there. So this is Velcro on this side. It's going to stick to the door like that. Then on the back is going to be your glue. So you just got to peel this off. But we'll start by getting this put onto the door, and then we'll bring it outside. And you don't need to measure anything. You can do it all by hand. Just got to roll this on there. You do need probably like a scissors or a knife of your own, though, to cut this. But that's it. So we got this side on here. We'll cut it, and now we're going to put the Velcro down both sides. And now to get it actually installed on the door frame, this is very simple. So personally, I like to start with the top of the frame. And all you're going to do is remove the adhesive on this and then just stick it to the top of the frame. And then you can move on to the left side and the right side. So overall, I had this whole thing assembled and on my door in about 10 minutes. It was really, really simple to do. I love the magnetic strips that goes through the middle. So if you are putting this on your patio door, maybe your camper door, or out to your garage like I did, as soon as you go inside, it's going to magnetic shut for you, and you don't have to do anything, and it's going to keep the bugs out if you are in an area where there are bugs. But overall, this was super easy to assemble, affordable, exactly what I wanted. So I give this 2 thumbs up.